Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to see again how you can install the Xposed framework on your device. So there are a few set of conditions. Condition number one, you need to be at least on the Android Lollipop and the Marshmallow, because on the Android KitKat it's not yet available. It was not supported actually now as of now. And if you are Android Nougat, so there is no as of now final build that is working on, so still it is in beta testing phase, so you can read out more on the dev labs page. I'll put the original link from where you can actually read for more information and all the steps too. So coming here, first you need Android Lollipop and Marshmallow. Steps will be same, just different set of files are there. So I will put the exact link from where you can download the file, and make sure to download the file according to your system architecture. There are two files, ARM64 and the ARM. So you download files whichever it is needed. Use any application like CPU-Z or CPU info. It will tell you what kind of system ARM you are running. And second condition, your device has to be rooted, because these kinds of stuffs needs custom recovery like twerp or CWM, so which you can only install in case your device is rooted. So you can use twerp manager to install these things here. And after that you need some set of files. So total 3 files is needed. The first is Xposed version 87, this is the latest, SDK 23, and ARM64, since this is 64-bit Android, so I'm using this one. Alright, and you need an Xposed installer. So the first file you need to install via going to the recovery. Second file you need to install after you install the zip file, then you need to came back normal to reboot the system, then you need to install that. And the third file is an installer, which you will be needing in case you want to uninstall this Xposed framework. All right, if you need to take backup of your complete system, so you can do that via going to the twerp manager and take backup from here. You can just click on backup now, or you can go to recovery. From there you can do the same thing. All right, so let's go to the recovery. So I'm just going to recovery from here. If you want to root your phone, so I have a playlist rooting your Android phone, so I'll put in the video description, and recommended to use the PC method because that is more trusty and reliable. First you need to clear this Wi-Fi and cache. It is always recommended. Now come back to this install directory and navigate to the folder where you have your Xposed copied. So I have copied inside this here Marshmallow. So first you need to install this ARM64. Click here. So during installation, it's also possible that you may get such kind of error like update process ended with error 1. So this is due to your slash system, that is your root partition is already filled. So you need to go back again and uninstall some of the application which are rooted stuff and that are installed in the root directory. So after getting that error, I rebooted my system back. Even I tried that, so it was not working. So that's why I just restored the backup again. The reason was that your system drive slash system actually was so full. So you can see that time it was 79 MB. I just uninstalled this Galaxy Wallpaper what was running previously. So after that I got this some 20 MB free. So you need to go inside this root directory slash system slash app. So these are the applications that are running, so you need to remove applications that you are not using. So I'm just going to clear those things here, then we'll see, we'll try to install that again. And also along with that, you can come inside this root data slash app and you can just sort it. Use this Solid Explorer, is very nice. Sort it to the side and you can just check. So I just uninstalled a few applications. Alright guys, I'm just cleans a bit of a space. Now we're going to try install again. So here's our Xposed installer. And also I went in the boot loop. So I just took I did my backup again, restored everything else. So it shows installed, just clear Wi-Fi and cache. Let's give it a try whether it's rebooting or not. So we are about to complete the automation of the applications. So guys, how to avoid these kinds of errors. So the moment you root your phone, recommended to install the Xposed in case you want that, because otherwise you may need to remove all the lot of apps there, and don't try to install much of the rooting apps. So let's see how much storage do we have left. You can see I just have 91 MB left. So now that part is done. We need to install some different set of files now. So we have already installed this zip file. Now we're going to install this Xposed installer. You should click here and you should install. And first you need to make sure you should enable this inside this security option. Go inside that and you should have done that option, unknown sources. So right here, click on the install. Should install pretty soon. Yes, install. Open it. So that's your Xposed installer. everything is done, and you got an update. It show you lost status, and go to the setting. You can change your themes to dark and black, so that looks pretty nice. So there you have it, guys. Working Xposed installer for the Lollipop and the Marshmallow. So just to summarize again, you need to first root your device, and it will only work on Android Marshmallow and the Lollipop. For Nougat, it still is beta. I'll give you guys update as soon as it is available on a couple of devices. And the moment you root your device, you go ahead and install that. And make sure to have at least 200 megabytes of storage. Right here you can see the root shows 91 MB, so it's kind of very less. I will just see how we can clean that much. So this is the important point. You should take care of that one, and don't get panicked you got something here. And yes, always take backup using Twerp, and with Twerp Manager and going to the recovery, so that will save your life in case you're stuck in the boot loop or kind of issues. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find it helpful. Just want to say thank you so much for watching, guys. This is Saurabh. I'll catch you next video. Have a great day.